In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice in HoneyBook step by step. HoneyBook is a powerful platform that streamlines business operations, and creating invoices is a vital part of it. Whether you're a freelancer, a small business, or a creative entrepreneur, HoneyBook can help you keep your finances in check with professional invoices. So let's dive in and walk through the process together to make it as seamless as possible. First, you want to start by heading over to the HoneyBook homepage. Simply open your web browser and type in the HoneyBook website URL, which should take you straight to the home section of your account. From here, you'll want to focus on the Files tab, which you'll find in the navigation panel. Clicking on Files will display all your important documents in one convenient location. Next, you'll see the Invoices option. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to a section specifically for invoice management where you can view, edit, or create new invoices. For creating a new invoice, look for the Create File button. It's usually quite prominent and easy to find, so click on that button to start the process of creating your new invoice. When you click Create File, you'll be prompted to choose the type of invoice you wish to create. You'll come across a plus button, which when clicked will allow you to select Standard Invoice. This option is perfect for most billing needs and keeps everything straightforward and easy to manage. Now that you're in the invoice template, you'll want to start by typing in the name of your project. This helps keep everything organized, especially if you're working on multiple projects simultaneously. After you've input the project name, don't forget to save your file. It's crucial to click Save File to ensure none of your work gets lost. Proceed to enter the unit price for the work you're billing. This area might include fields like quantity and rate, so make sure to fill in all relevant details accurately. Next, ensure to fill in the service description, explaining precisely what the invoice covers, which is helpful for both you and your client. If your services are taxable, look for and click on the Apply Tax button. Understanding this can help you manage state-specific requirements more effectively. Once that's done, navigate to the next button to proceed. In the next step, you'll click on Share File, which opens a new dialog. Here, you'll fill in elements like the subject of the message, add any necessary client details, and continue filling out the remaining invoice details to ensure everything is comprehensive. Once all details have been entered, finalize the process by clicking on Done and then Send to deliver the invoice to your client. And there you have it. By following these steps, you streamline your billing process, ensuring every detail is communicated clearly to your client. Thank you for watching this tutorial on creating invoices in HoneyBook. Be sure to leave any questions you have in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Until next time, take care.